Well, the hard truth is GPAs aren't worth what they used to be. Admissions officials say grades are being inflated.
So that's the first time in history we've ever seen that. The college admissions officers are coming out and saying that. The reason they're doing that is that in 1966, it was only about 20% of students had an A average who were going into a 4-year BA granting university. Now it's only 20% don't have an A average. And it's not that so many students got so much smarter. We've seen that standardized test scores have remained flat. And actually right now, both on really all standardized exams, we're seeing 30-year lows in academic achievement based on standardized metrics. So the highest grades we've ever seen, where 80% have A averages, but some of the lowest standardized test scores we've ever seen. So because of all that grade inflation, an A just doesn't mean what it used to mean when an A was more rare.
But again, more schools are bringing back this test requirement. And for those that don't, it is still a good idea to take it and submit the score.
So for schools that call themselves test optional, they're inviting you to send your SAT, ACT scores. So they would rather have your SAT and ACT scores. And for the most selective colleges, it's really more than an invitation. It's an expectation. So the top colleges, more than 80% of their enrolled students submitted test scores. For instance, Duke, 93% of enrolled students submitted test scores. That's not very optional.
Now, for those getting ready to take it, there are some changes you need to know about. For one, the test will be done on a computer. No more pencils. A calculator will be included on the provided computer. The test will also be shorter, and it will be adaptive.
Their score will reflect the fact that they got those easier questions. So they'll get a lower score overall. And the SAT and ACT are imperfect, but they add to the predictive capacity of how a student will do in college. First-year GPA and graduation rates overall. So their overall score will help colleges understand how well prepared they are for a given college and a given major within that college.